I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the two required features, Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Subsystem for Linux. This gives WSL2 kernel support. Once done, open an elevated PowerShell and set the default to version 2 with WSL set default version 2. This ensures full compatibility and performance. Next, go to the Microsoft Store and install a distro like Ubuntu. Do this now. It prepares the system, so your next steps focus on initializing the Linux environment rather than on setup errands. Once your distro launches, create your Linux user and a password. You need that for sudo actions. Then update packages with sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y so you have security patches and toolchain fixes. Make sure to install essentials, build essential, curl, and an editor you prefer. After that, configure interoperability by checking /etc/WSL. Conf and set options like auto mount and Windows path handling. This reduces surprises when calling Windows tools from Linux, and it streamlines file access and performance. Finish by adding the tools you need. Enable Docker Desktop WSL2 backend and install VS Code Remote WSL for tight editor integration. If you plan to move or backup environments, use WSL export and WSL import to capture and restore distros. And if something breaks, try the quick troubleshooting step. Run WSL shutdown to stop all instances, restart the LXSS manager service, then relaunch your distro. That usually resolves networking, mount, or update glitches. If not, repeat and check Windows updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.